Totpole zone. Hey there! In this video, let us learn about singular and plural nouns. But before we do that, do you remember what a noun is? A noun is a person, place, animal, or a thing. A noun can be a singular noun that is one of something, like an apple, a boy, or a bird. A noun can also be a plural noun that is two or more of something, like apples, boys, or birds. There are different rules to change a singular noun to a plural noun. In this video, let us learn the first rule to change a singular noun to a plural noun. Rule number 1. The first and the most common rule to change a singular noun to a plural noun is to add the letter S at the end of the word. For example, key will become keys in its plural form. And shoe will become shoes in its plural form. Let us now apply this rule and learn to change different words from their singular form to plural form. Ant. Ants. Tree. Trees. Apple. Apples. Girl. Girls. Boy. Boys. Banana. Bananas. Car. Cars. Hand. Hands. Balloon. Balloons. Leg. Legs. Building. Buildings. Cat. Cats. House. Houses. Plant. Plants. Fruit. Fruits. Star. Stars. Bird. Birds. Pen. Pens. Goat. Goats. Dog. Dogs. Orange. Oranges. Bag. Bags. Lemon. Lemons. Cup. Cups. Ball. Balls. Toy. Toys. Rabbit. Rabbits. Flower. Flowers. Spoon. Spoons. Color. Colors. Pencil. Pencils. Kid. Kids. Number. Numbers. Chair. Chairs. Cake. Cakes. Spider. Spiders. Bicycle. Bicycles. Book. Books. Plate. Plates. Shirt. Shirts. Fork. Forks. Flag. Flags. Boat. Boats. Coin. Coins. Eye. Eyes. Totpole zone.